improving your product or maybe your service or something like that. Then you get networking, and only after this, the reputation comes.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Dima Raketa with us. Dima is a leading international expert in business development and data marketing and specialized in reputation management. He has won several awards, and as a CEO of Reputation House, Dima has worked with business in 15 plus countries, guiding companies across US, UAE, Europe, and Asia, turning the reputation challenges into opportunities. So, Dima, tell us, what are the 5 steps to make your first million?
Actually, that's a good question. And every step to the first million should be assigned and should be faced with the value. What it means? It means that on every step we should create some kind of value. I have my personal formula, which I presented to my students a few years ago, and it looks like the next one. So, first of all, the first step is to get the hard skills. It could be coding, design, copywriting, analytics, or advertising, it doesn't matter. So, you have to study this one. The next step is soft skills. People should start to love to work with you. You should know how to communicate, negotiate, lead, and so on. You should get some kind of soft skills inside your mind and your body. After you get number one and number two, you start to produce something, to produce value, and you should do it once again, once again, once again, and once again. After this one, like in computer games, you get the experience. Once you get the experience, you go into the fourth step. Fourth step is networking. If you continuously do the same thing with your soft skills, hard skills, time to time you will get new people in your circle. It is called network. And now we are pretty close to the fifth step. It's after you get the networking, you do well your product, you get good, you got good soft skills and hard skills, and after this one, the reputation has been created. And only after the fifth step, reputation can start to work for you. And for today, young entrepreneurs and not only young entrepreneurs, old entrepreneurs also, I don't know why they are starting with networking without having any hard skill or soft skills. And they're starting to get some kind of reputation. They create their Facebook page or maybe Instagram account. They add subscribers, but they cannot do anything. They don't have product. They don't have experience. They don't have soft skills or hard skills. But they think that they're expert in their field. It doesn't work like that. Only step by step you should go. Hard skills, then soft skills, then experience doing the same shitty thing day to day, improving your product or maybe your service or something like that. Then you get networking, and only after this, the reputation comes. That's it. That's my point.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.